Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix DMV login problems, identity and access issues step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the official DMV website or the official DMV mobile app to avoid fake login pages. Next, check that your internet connection is stable by opening another trusted website in a new tab. Then, close the DMV page completely and reopen it to clear a temporary loading error. After that, restart your browser or restart your phone if you are using the app. Now, make sure caps lock is off and your keyboard language is correct before typing your username and password. Next, retype your login details manually instead of using autofill, because autofill can insert wrong characters. Then, click Forgot Password and reset your password if you are not 100% sure about the current one. After resetting, create a strong password and avoid special characters that your device might replace incorrectly. Next, check your email inbox and spam folder for the DMV verification or reset message. Then, open the verification email and complete the verification step before trying to log in again. If the site asks for a one-time code, request a new code and enter it within the time limit. Next, confirm your phone number and email address are up to date in your DMV profile if you can access account settings. Then, if you changed your phone recently, use the DMV option to update or recover two-factor authentication. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies for the DMV site to remove broken session data. Then, try logging in using a private or incognito window to avoid extension and cookie conflicts. Next, disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers that may prevent the login page from working. Then, allow pop-ups for the DMV site if the identity verification opens a new window. Next, switch to another browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari to rule out a browser-specific issue. Then, try a different device, like moving from phone to computer, to isolate device settings problems. Next, make sure your device date and time are set to automatic, because incorrect time can break security logins. Then, update your browser or update the DMV app to the latest version for compatibility fixes. Next, temporarily turn off VPN or proxy settings, because they can trigger security blocks. Then, if you receive an account locked message, wait the stated time and do not keep retrying during the lockout. Next, check for a message about identity verification and follow the prompts to confirm your identity. Then, prepare your driver's license or ID details exactly as printed, because mismatches can fail verification. Next, if the system says your information does not match, double-check spelling, address format, and date of birth. Then, contact DMV technical support using the official contact page and provide the exact error message and time it happened. Finally, keep a screenshot of the error and note your browser, device, and steps tried to speed up support help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.